All right, guys, so I'm going to go over this last example for today, evaluating example 2, because the video was getting too long. So in the first one, f of negative 3, I look at the domains, and I'm going to go, well, is negative 3 less than, I'm looking at this first one here, in the yellow, is negative 3 less than negative 3? No. So I look at the second one in green. Is negative 3 greater than or equal to negative 3 and less than 0? Yes. So this is going to go into the green one. Maybe I'll highlight it in green like this so you guys could see. So the green one here, I'm going to go into that one. So I'm going to write basically 2 times negative 3 plus 5. So that's going to be negative 6 plus 5. The answer was negative 1. Okay. I go to B, and maybe I'll highlight these yellow, and then we can do like blue. Do this one in blue. With the arrow. Okay. So the second one, negative 1. I go to the yellow one. Is negative 1 less than negative 3? No. I go to the green one. Is negative 1 greater than or equal to negative 3 and less than 0? Yes. So this is going to plug into the green one also. So I'm going to go f of negative 1. So 2 times negative 1 plus 5 is going to be negative 2 plus 5 is 3. Okay. Part C. I'm plugging in x to be negative 5. So I go to the yellow. Is negative 5 less than negative 3? Yes. So this is going to plug into the yellow function. So I'm going to go x squared minus 1. So negative 5 squared minus 1 is going to be 25 minus 1 is 24. Okay. Then I'll do part D. F of 0 means I'm plugging x to be 0. So I go to the 3 domains. Remember, the domain column is on the right. This is all domains. So I go to the yellow first. Is 0 less than negative 3? No. I go to the green one. Is 0 greater than or equal to negative 3 and less than 0? No. I go to the blue one. Is 0 greater than or equal to 0? Yes. So I go to the function y equals 2. So whenever you have just a number, they're telling you that no matter what, the y value is 2. So the answer here is always just going to be 2. And to sort of like make that point and illustrate that even more, part E is the same thing, f of 7. 7 is also part of the blue category, greater than or equal to 0. So the answer is 2. So no matter what, the y value is going to be 2 for any x value that is greater than or equal to 0. It should be 2, 2, 2, because if you think about it, this is a horizontal line. In a horizontal line, the y values are all the same. So if when x is 0, y is 2. When x is 2, y is 2. When x is 5, y is 2. When x is 7, y is 2. That's the reason why it's just always going to be that same x value, the same y value. All right, so we're going to stop there. And next week on Monday, we'll start actually graphing these. We'll move on to example 3. So today your homework is just a bunch of these that you see here where you're evaluating the functions at different values. All right, have a nice weekend.